She knows there's groundhogs here. So that's the body language of a dog in alert mode. That's before they typically bolt, but she kind of knows better. And she might even point. Oh, she is pointing. See how her paw is up? Get on the other side. She points with her right paw, I guess, most of the time. Where's that groundhog? Oh, I think he's right there. Oh no, it's trash. I do the same thing she does. She freaks out on bags. It's not a groundhog, Missy. Come on. Come on. It's just a bag. Come on. Let's go. It's a bag. Come on, this way. Missy, come back. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Run. Hurry up. Almost got a bunny. Nope, nope. Missy, come here. Get over here. Leave it. Leave it. Come on. Back here. Good girl.